stay safe. Stay home, stay safe. My lovely student, I am your Madhura ma'am. I am going to teach you English subject. Okay? In your previous lecture, I taught you about vowel sound A and E. Okay? Did you understood? Now, today, we will do exercise related A and E sound word. Okay? Please take your notebook, pencil and eraser. We will do writing work. Now, first we will do prayer. Everyone join your hands and close your eyes and repeat after me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. So today we will do writing work. Okay? Start your writing work with your ma'am. Write neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Don't go out of the line. Write beautifully. Okay? Now start with me. First we will write here heading. Exercise related A and E sound word. Okay? But our heading is fill in the missing vowels. Okay? Write the heading. Start your writing work with ma'am. First letter is always come in capital letter. Write your F. F is capital letter. F I double L. F I double L fill. F I double L fill. Say and write. Everyone, please say and write. Fill. Take one finger distance. Write here I and in. Fill in. Again, take one finger distance. Fill in the. T H E. The. Fill in the. Fill in the. Fill in the. Now next, again take one finger distance. Write here M I double S I N G. Fill in the missing vowels. Fill in the missing vowel. Again take one finger distance here. Write here V O W E L. Fill in the missing vowel. Okay? Now go to the next line. Use your next line. Go to the next line. Write number 1. Number 1. Okay? Make the picture of 10. How to make the picture? See, half curve, one more half curve, slanting line like this. Which picture is this? Tell me fast everyone. Which picture is this? Very good. 10. Now write here. Sleeping line. Write your D. Underline here. Drop this side. Now write here N. Done? Done this? Okay. Draw the standing line here. Make one standing line. Draw the line. Done this? Now next, number 2. is here. Next, number 2. Make the picture of mat. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Join this line, small circles and standing lines. See like this. Slanting line, here also slanting line. Now write the spelling of mat. Same thing here. Complete this picture. Done this picture. Here also sleeping line. Now write the spelling of mat. Now write here M. Leave this space. Underline here. Write here T. Done. Done. Okay, now go to the next line. Number 3. After 2, which number will come? Number 3. Now write here number 3. Next picture is, see this picture. Now tell me which picture is this? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Here slanting line, here also. Small standing line, small sleeping line, standing line. Which picture is this? Bat. Very good. Which picture is this? Bat. Now write the spelling of bat. Okay. Sleeping line. Write here B. Leave this space. And write here T. Done. Hurry up. Hurry up. Done this. Now next, number 4. Number 4. Now make the picture of pen. See. Here slanting line. Here also slanting line. Small slanting line. Here also slanting line. Small circle. Curve like this. Here slipping line. Which picture is this? Pen. Which picture is this? Pen. Slipping line. Now write the spelling of pen. First write here P. Leave the space. Make underline. And write here N. Done this? Hurry up. Write fast. Write fast. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Done this? Now we will fill in the missing vowel. Okay, tell me what is the spelling of den? Say loudly everyone. What is the spelling of den? Say D-E-N. Den. Very good. D-E-N. Den. Loudly. D-E-N. Den. D-E-N. Den. So tell me what is the spelling of den? D-E-N. Den. Now tell me which vowel is coming here? E or A? Tell me fast. E or A? E. Very good. Now fill in the missing vowel here. E. Missing vowel is E. Write the vowel E. Make one underline here. Done? Done? Now next picture. Number 2. Which picture is this? Mat. Which picture is this? Mat. What is the spelling of mat? Say loud. What is the spelling of mat? I already taught you. Tell me first. Raise your hand. Tell me first. Grishma, Bhushan, Path. Say loudly. What is the spelling of mat? Alia. You also say. Shani, Ashvi. Say loudly. What is the spelling of mat? Say loudly. M. Which vowel is coming here? A or E? A. M-A-T. Mat. M-at. Mat. That they taught you. Yes or no? Very good. Say loudly. M-at. Mat. M-at. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Now fill in the missing vowel A. Right here A. A. Done this. Make one underline here. Done. Now number 3. Next picture. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is ball. So this is desk. This is pen. No. Which picture is this? Bat. Say loudly. What is the spelling of bat? B-A-T. This is bat spelling. No. What is the spelling of bat? Say loudly. B-E-T. E is coming here. No. So, which letter will come here? A. Which letter will come here? A. What is the spelling of bat? Say loudly. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. That is, I am telling you each and every time you have to say and write. Say and write. Okay? Now write here A. Write here A. Fill this vowel here A and make one underline here. Now tell me, which spelling is this? Bat. Say loudly. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Now next picture. Which picture is this? Pen. Which picture is this? Pen. What is the spelling of pen? P and N. This is pen spelling? No. So, which vowel I can fill here? Which vowel I can fill here? Tell me first. Can I fill A or E? What is the spelling of pen? Tell me fast. Hurry up. First. Say loudly. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Say loudly. P-E-N. Pen. Okay, now fill the vowel here. E. Missing vowel is E. Make one underline. Done this? Done. Hurry up. First. Now see, I have no space here. I have no space here. That's why I rub this, all the spelling. Okay? Now you use your next line. Okay? Don't rub this. I have no space, that's why I rub this. Now next, number 5. Go to the next line. Write number 5. Number 5. Which number will come after 4? Number 5. Write here number 5. Okay. Now next picture is, make the red dot here. Use your red color. You have to use here red color. यहाँ आपको लाल कलर का यूज करना है, रेड कलर का यूज करना है. ओके, which picture is this? Red. Which picture is this? Red. Now sleeping line here. Right here R. Sleeping line means leave this space and right here D. Done? Done this? Hurry up. Next, number 6. Next picture. Make the picture of cap. How to make cap? See, slipping line, half curve, slanting line, and join this line. Which picture is this? Cap. Which picture is this? Cap. Okay. Now slipping line here. Right here C. Leave the space and here P. Done? Done everyone? Now go to the next line. Right here number 7. Number 7. Make the picture of jam. Make the picture of jam. How to make? See, small curve like this. Join this line. Slanting line. Here also slanting line. Standing line. Small slipping line like this. Done. Now write here small letter J A M. Write in small letters. Write small. Okay. Slipping line. First write here J. Point. Leave the space. Write here M. Which picture is this? Jam. Which picture is this? Jam. Now tell me what is the spelling of jam? Tell me first. What is the spelling of jam? Say loudly. J-A-M. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Please everyone say and write. Done this? Now go to the next number. Number 8. Number 8. Now make the picture of 10. 1 0 10. Slipping line. Write here T. Leave the space. Write here N. Done. Done. Okay. Now tell me which picture is this? Red. What is the spelling of red? Say loudly everyone. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. Now which vowel will come here? A or E? See this? This is A. This is A. Yes or no? Yes. This is small letter A and the sound of the letter A is N. The sound of the letter A is N. So tell me, add a rat? No. It is wrong. Right here E and the sound of the E is A. See this? Right here E. This is correct? Yes. This is correct spelling. Make one underline here. Say loudly. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. Now next. Which picture is this? You always wear this. In which season? Summer season. You wear this cap in summer season? Yes, very good. Now tell me, what is the spelling of cap? Say loudly. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Cap, cap. Cap, cap. So which letter will come here? E or A? A. Very good. Now write here A. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Feel this vowel here and underline here. Done. Now next picture. Which picture is this? Jam. Which picture is this? Jam. Okay. Now tell me, what is the spelling of jam? J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. Now write here A. Write here A. And make one underline here. Done this? Done? Okay, now next. Number 8. Which picture is this? Number 10. Which picture is this? Number 10. What is the spelling of number 10? Say loudly. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Now, write the vowel here, E. And make one underline. Done this, everyone? Okay. Write the homework in your new page. Go to the next page. Write the homework. Write here HW. Here same as CW. Same as CW. Done this? Okay everyone. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Please stay home, stay safe.